Dave's farm. Last film. We've already talked about the ricer. We're going to make another final scene to the movie that you're going to see on YouTube, illustrated by me, Dave, John, aka Rickham.
Look at all the oil. We're going to have a really quick scene of just standing beside him and him against the car far back, just to show the two cars together. Okay. Then the second scene, okay, you're going to be here, showing closer up, showing me arresting him and putting him in the car. Okay. So just stand right, go to the middle, stand back far enough that you just far enough just to get both cars in the scene, a little bit of driveway on each end, but not too much driveway on each end. Yeah. Okay. Now you want to have a shot or? Yeah, well, he
I'm out of here.